The final question is 4C, and it's about John doing maths homework. If John does 0.35 of his maths homework, he will get a detention if he does less than 30% of his homework. Is John going to get a detention? Okay, so what we're actually asking here is 0.35 more or less than 30%. So we need to convert either the 0.35 to a percentage or the 30% to a decimal. So I am going to convert the 30% to a decimal. So we know that 30% is the same as 30 divided by 100. So 30 over 100 is a fraction, which equals 30 divided by 100, which equals 0.30. So we just move that decimal point, divide by 10, divide by 100. So the decimal point gets moved to there. So now we can restate this is 0.35 more or less than 0.3. So it is clearly 0.35, so that's 3/10 plus 5/100. So I can write that down. Whereas this is 3/10 and 0/100. So you can see just by looking, or we can break the number up, that 0.35 is more than 0.30. So is John going to get a detention? John did this amount. That's the detention amount. So therefore, John will not get a detention, and please give me the reason, because he did more than 30% of the homework. And there we have some reasoning questions involving fractions and percentages.